Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to send delayed text messages on Android. Here are some steps to send a delayed text message on Android using Google Messages or Samsung Messages. First method, using Google Messages for most mobile devices. Open Google Messages. Launch the Messages app on your device. Start a new message. Tap the plus or start a chat to create a new message. Select the recipient or enter their phone number. Type your message. Enter the text message you want to schedule. Press and hold the send button. Instead of tapping send, press and hold the send or paper plane button. Select a scheduled time. A pop-up will appear with preset times, later today, tomorrow, or custom time. Choose or set a custom date and time by tapping Pick Date and Time. Then choose a date. Then tap on Next. Here, choose your preferred time. Confirm the scheduled message. Tap Save, Schedule, or Set. Then hit the Send button to confirm. Check the scheduled message. The message will now appear with the clock icon, meaning it is scheduled. Edit or cancel if needed. Hold the message, then update or delete if you need to modify it before sending. Now, your text will be sent automatically at the scheduled time. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.